How to know Facebook join date. In this video, I will share with you step by step on how to check or how to find Facebook join date or creation date. First of all, after you open up your Facebook now, go ahead and open your Facebook like this. After you open your Facebook like this now, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu now, all you have to do now, scroll to down. After you scroll to down, now tap on this. As you can see here, is it now settings and privacy. After you open settings and privacy, now go to settings. After you open these settings, now scroll all the way to down, scroll to down, scroll to down, and tap on this. As you can see now, here it says your information. So tap on this, access your information. So after you open this, access your information, as you can see now scroll all the way to down, scroll to down. If you scroll to down, as you can see now, tap on this. As you can see now, under this your information, so tap on this personal information, personal information. So in this, under this personal information, scroll to down. As you can see here, it says, as you can see this one, as you can see here, it says your profile information. So in this section, as you can see here, it says your account creation date. So as you can see here, is it now your account creation date. My account, I created this account on 19th of June 2021. That's the date that I created my Facebook account. So that's it guys on how to find your account creation date on Facebook. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.